I have a small issue with my 2018 Honda Pioneer 500, and today I've decided to fix it. I'm tired of it. It seems to be a factory defect. I'm curious if anyone else has this issue. If you look at the door latch mechanism on the driver's side, this ring is supposed to press against this rubber to keep it from rattling when you're riding. Not only that, it seems to sit so far this direction that it misses them, and then it also rubs here. And this is how it came from the factory. So when I'm sitting there and it's idling, or sometimes on bumpy surfaces, it rattles. If you look at the passenger side, that's not the case. It sits snug, very snug, doesn't rattle, and on the second click in here, it's pressed into those, and it is solid as can be. So today I'm going to try to fix that myself on the driver's side. There they are. I used a 6mm hex key and a 12mm socket to remove those two bolts, and they were pretty tight. Here's how those bolts look, and here's how they fit into the door. Now I don't have the tools to accommodate that, so I'm simply going to drill two new holes here and here that are the same diameter as this bolt. I used a 5/16 drill bit and zipped two holes in here. As you can see, that bolt fits snug in there now. And then I used an X-Acto knife to clean up the rough edges that it left. Ta-da! Fixed. It isn't beautiful, but it works as it should. Do you see how the loop, the metal loop latch, actually hits on those rubber stops now and holds the door firm? So here's what I did. I put two 5/16 holes here and here, and two 5/16 bolts from Ace Hardware with fine threads, 3/4 inches long. These are nylon lock nuts on the back. I did put a washer on each one of these so that the bolt head would not mash into the plastic. Here on the back, this plate is metal, so the nuts don't sink in. This is a permanent modification. Obviously I wish it didn't have, these holes weren't visible, but no big deal. I won't think twice about it. Now it latches tight. I'm enjoying my Pioneer 500.